you are, my cousins. Kia ora, it's me, Pasa Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today I've just been fixing some things on my motorbike. Now all I have to do is put the panels back on. Come on, I'll show you how to do it. It's kind of like a puzzle piece, but when you know where all the parts go, i ngā wari te mahi. This piece, it looks like it goes in there. Okay, let's do the back panel. Perfect. Ka pai. Almost done. Ka rawe. All the panels are back on. Now I just need to put my tools away and then I can show you the different parts of the motorbike. Come on! Ka pai. This is my motorbike. You've already met the panels. Now meet the motor. Hello. This is my tootie. This is where I sit. Ooh. This here is the exhaust. Now, you have to be really, really careful because when the motor's going, the exhaust gets tino wetter. Make sure you don't touch it with your hands. Hey, these are the foot pedals, so my foot can sit up like that. And in front of this foot pedal on this side, I have my back brake right there. And all I do is use my waiwai to push it down. Oh, these are the handlebars. On this side, you have the accelerator and you have your front brake. And on this side, you have your clutch for changing gears and you have a little red button to stop your motor. Two more things. This is my petrol tank. This is where I put all of my petrol so my motor can run. Oh, I almost forgot one of the most important things. This is my Kickstarter. And now for some safety rules. Tuatahi. Always wear kakahu that covers your whole body. You need to protect your tinana. Tuarua. Make sure you always wear your portai maro, your helmet. It helps you protect your upoko. This is my helmet. It's black, white, and a little bit yellow. Oh, and finally, kia tūpato. Make sure that you ride safely. Don't try and go too fast and do wheelies and skiddies and donuts and burnouts. All right, let's put on my helmet and start it up. Woo! Okay, we'll let that warm up for a few minutes. It's important to let your bike warm up so it's ready to ride. It's kind of like warming up your tinana before playing a rugby game. Oh. Dear Max, looking cool.
Kia ora, Uncle. Ready for a ride?
Always ready for a ride. Hey, Max, these are the cuzzies.
Kia ora, cuzzies.
Yeah, I've just been teaching them about motorbikes. Hey, Max, what's one of our rules?
Always wear your helmet while riding.
Oh, I taught you well, nephew. Come on, cuzzies, let's go for a ride.